Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can refresh graphic driver on Windows laptop. That may be on Windows 10, Windows 11 or anything. So just on your laptop keyboard, if you want to refresh graphic driver once, you need to press the combination of keys. Those combinations or keys are first you need to click on, okay, click and hold, okay, all at a time. Shift plus Control plus Windows key. I'll show you with onboard keyboard and letter B. So what I'll do is I'll just open virtual keyboard and I'll show you. And I'll press it and refresh the keyboard once. I'll do that also. Before that, I'll show you the keys. Yes, you need to click on Shift plus Control plus Windows plus B. Okay, these three keys and B at a time. I'll click now. See here, the screen got flickered, but it is not actually flickering. I just refreshed the graphic driver once. So this is how you can also refresh the graphic driver on your Windows laptop or computer. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.